All right, so today we have the whole kit. We have the meat grinder. We have the sausage maker and much more. And this is going to be to use it for your Kitchenaid. Let's go right now. All right, to make it simple, I lay down everything on the table. So we see the main unit. When it makes it simple to clean. Right after use, take this out. And your cleaning comes with a nice brush as well. So now there are different discs for different grinding. So let's put one of this, and depends the style you're looking for the grinding. Let's shoot this small piece there. We lock it right there. All right, we have it right there. We're gonna install this grinding machine. We're gonna put this way, right? Put it all the way around. And then with this, right, you push your meat, chicken, turkey, right, whatever you. Now, so we have different style. Now the next one is for the sausage. We have it right over here. So you have 3 different styles of sausage. Simple. Put this together. All right. Now the next one, they use it for kimpies, and this one you don't need a grinding, and this one goes this way. Now no grinding necessary for this, so we got a locker right there. We're gonna put this one in. I'm gonna take this out. Same. As you see, it's simple to put together, right? So it comes with everything, the whole kit here. So you have the 3 styles, the thing to push your meat, different discs to clean it, and simple and easy to set the unit.